Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials and acting fast. Power cycle the unit once, then connect a known good HDMI or serial cable to capture boot output. This shows where the process halts. Once done, boot into safe or recovery mode to avoid loading problematic modules. Make sure to copy system logs and any core dumps to a USB or network share. These explain the why behind the black screen. Now that data is saved, you can safely proceed to targeted fixes without losing diagnostic evidence. Next, you dig into the middle work, diagnosis and repair. Read kernel and bootloader messages carefully. GPU driver failures or init timeouts often cause black screens. If you see driver errors, reinstall the display driver or roll back to a known good firmware. This removes recent changes that broke rendering. Once done, disable non-essential or experimental modules, start with a minimal config, and reboot. If the screen returns, reintroduce components one at a time so you can pinpoint the exact cause. Finish by confirming stable operation and preventing recurrence. Boot into normal mode and observe for several cycles. If everything looks good, restore your custom settings slowly and keep a backup image that you can restore in minutes. Make sure automated updates won't reapply the faulty driver or firmware. If the black screen persists, perform a live debug session with serial logging and a screen capture. Then escalate to vendor support with those artifacts. They speed troubleshooting and reduce back and forth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.